Faster and faster, quicker and quicker, speedy Korea. Among all the companies built by Koreans, there is one very special company. The #1 industrial tool expert, offering Korea's largest selection and size. CRETEC. CRETEC is your ideal business partner for one reason. CRETEC is committed to making sure that your products are available to more customers. Boasting a catalog of over 130,000 products, CRETEC is the largest industrial tool expert in Korea. We make sure that products and services offered by manufacturers are available to customers, serving as a bridge between the manufacturers and tool merchants. CRETEC is also leading the standardization and digitalization of the tool industry. From the Korea Standard Tool Catalog, which combines all the knowledge and information about tools distributed in Korea, to the standardized price book, the barcode system, the CTX online ordering system, the one-day delivery system, and the real-time delivery tracking service, CRETEC is strategically supporting customers in growing their business. People with passion who go anywhere in the world to provide products and services which customers need. From hand tools to cutting, measurement, power tools, pneumatic tools, welding supplies, safety and industrial supplies, CRETEC is meeting customers' needs through its diverse product categories. CRETEC boasts the most advanced distribution system in Korea. By deploying a smart delivery system to monitor every process of orders, from loading and inspection to final delivery on smartphone, as well as state-of-the-art infrastructure, such as conveyor belts and vertical lift conveyors, CRETEC makes sure that customers' products are delivered as fast as possible. 1,200 manufacturers have already been selling their products through CRETEC's distribution network. Partner with CRETEC, which supplies products to 7,000 tool merchants, and accelerate your growth.
크레텍은 지금 현재 IT도 굉장히 강하시고 로지스틱도 굉장히 강하시고 그런 데를 통해서 저희 제품이 굉장히 원활하게 국내뿐 아니라 세계도 나갈 수 있다고 저희가 생각을 하고 있죠.
CRETEC was able to become a trustful company and partners of global tool manufacturers because of its commitment to customer satisfaction and experience unmatched by any other distributors in the industry. By implementing the quality management system, the customer satisfaction management system, the quick delivery system, and obtaining globally recognized Authorized Economic Operator (AEO) certification, CRETEC has simplified customs processing for imports and exports for faster customs clearance.
We have a partnership which is for us extraordinary, a company network which is unique in Korea. We are really proud after such a long cooperation that we established through CRETEC the Rothenberger brand in the Korean market.
CRETEC made the impossible possible through its endless innovations. CRETEC will continue to study and research products made by manufacturers to make high-quality products available to more customers. CRETEC will always be by your side.